Hey guys, I'm Steve with Disconnect for Adventure, and thanks for joining me for another video. Our friends at HOAMC sent us this nice atomic pump. It's their new product that they are kickstarting right now. It's a nice light backpacking pump. This isn't a paid sponsorship, but they are allowing us to keep it for free for doing a review on it. We've been using it for a little while now, and it's a pretty nice little pump. It's very compact, tiny, comes with all sorts of different attachments for your various sleeping pads. It only weighs 61 grams, so it's very, very light. It has a magnetic insert on the inside, so you can stick it to the hood of your car if you wanted to, in order to use the light that's on the bottom. So let me just show you some of how it works. So to turn it on, you double press the top, like so. And then to use it, you just find the attachment that works for your sleeping pad and hold it in place. Unfortunately, it doesn't lock in place, but it does hold in place. From our testing, it'll fill up about 12 to 15 sleeping pads comfortably on a single charge and still have light for a few nights of camping, at least in the tent. So let's see how long it takes to fill this up. And it's snowing. So I'm showing you this in real time because I want you to see how long it takes to fill up a standard size sleeping pad. This is a 25 by 72 inch pad, so you can get some idea how long it takes to fill up each pad as it flies away. It's starting to get windy as it's snowing. And it's done. So just like that, what was that, about a minute and a half? Filled up sleeping pad, no problem. And like I said, you can do about 12 to 15 of them, no problem, on a single charge, and still have enough light power in here to power your evenings in your tent for a good few days. So currently these go for about $35. I'll leave a link down in the description if you'd like to get in on it. It's sold through the Kickstarter site still, but they will be going mass production eventually, and for like sites like Amazon and such. It's really easy to power. USB-C, comes with a cable. It takes about an hour to charge from my experience, the ones that I've charged so far. And it comes with a variety of attachments from anything from like your like pool toys to backpacking equipment. Any size pad that you have, it's got an attachment for it. And it's got a nice little hook that you could use for a carabiner or such to hang in your tent. Overall, a very nice product. For 35 bucks, yeah, I mean, it's nice. It definitely beats the convenience of using a pump sack to try to fill up your pad. So anyways, if you want to give them a shot, check them out. I'll leave the website down in the description. Again, it's HOAMC. This is their atomic pump. They also make some nice other products, and it also comes in 3 different colors if you're interested. So anyways, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and hit the like button below. Thank you.